Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve this expression 8 divided 2 parenthesis 1 plus 3. So many people fail to solve this. They are fail here when they solve 8 divide 2, 3 plus 1 is 4 and multiplication, and they solve it 8 divided 2 times 4 8, and then they reached at 1, which is not correct. So you have to follow order of operation according to PEMDAS rule, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So you have to give priority, same priority to multiplication and division. If they both are given, you can start from left to right, and same as addition and subtraction. So here first we are going to solve the parenthesis, that is 3, 1 plus 3, that is 4. Now, here division and multiplication, both signs are given. So, we can start with left to right. So, 8 divided 2 times 4. 8 divided 2 is 4 times 4, which is 16. So, 16 is the correct answer of this expression. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.